how to set spending limits on your Capital One card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're trying to control your spending or set boundaries for unauthorized users, well, in this video, we will walk you through how to set spending limits on your Capital One card. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, keep in mind that Capital One lets you set spending limits only for authorized users, not for the primary card holder. So this guide is for the cards shared with family members or employees. So here with that, simply open the web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here you can simply click on sign in button which can be seen at the top right side, and after that you simply have to enter your credential on the next page to log in to your Capital One account, and there once logged in you can simply click on the credit card account where you have added an authorized users, and after that you simply have to go to account service or manage authorized users and select the user you want to set a limit for. And after that you will see an option to set or adjust a spending limit. So choose your desired amount and save. And here once you've done that, the spending limits will be automatically activated for that specific users. And that's it. That's how you can set spending limits on your Capital One card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.